Welcome to Homework Hill by RG. This is the channel to subscribe if you want to improve your public speaking skills. We share English and Hindi speeches here. And today's speech is quite relevant in current scenario. It's a very short and easy speech. So let's begin. The topic for today's speech is green energy. Good morning everyone. Today I want to talk about something that affects all of us. Energy. The way we power our homes, schools, and cities has a big impact on our environment. For so many years, we have been dependent on fossil fuels like coal and oil. These fuels release harmful gases that pollute our air and contribute to climate change. Imagine our planet as a healthy body. Fossil fuels are making it sick with the pollutant gases. But there is good news. We have a solution: green energy. Green energy comes from sources like the sun, wind, and water. It's clean, renewable, and doesn't pollute our air. Think of the sun. It shines brightly daily, giving us free energy, and it is unlimited. Green energy is not just good for the earth, it is good for us too. It creates new jobs, lowers energy bills in the long run, and helps us become more independent from fossil fuels. So, what can we do? We can all be a part of the green energy solution. We can turn off lights when we leave a room, use energy efficient appliances, and maybe even talk to our families about switching to solar energy. Small changes add up to big results. Together, we can power a brighter, cleaner future for ourselves and our coming generations. Hope you liked the speech. Consider sharing with your friends. Goodbye.